for Nigeria. Former Speaker of the House of Representatives to just wait
to talk. So permit me to adopt the existing protocol. First of all, recognize the chairman of this great party, Professor Ayu, our presidential candidate and the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, by choice and by the blessing of the Almighty, His Excellency, the former Vice President, Atiku, the man who we trust to deliver. The Vice Presidential candidate, Okowa, who is the President Governor of Delta State, and then all other dignitaries that I cannot name now and mention individually. I guess my time is up, my shade is being pulled, but I want to assure the people of Lagos that for us, it is the unity, peace, progress of this country that borders us. And we have looked at all the tickets, and we believe it is Atiku and Okowa who will deliver on the great promise of this nation. God bless you. I trust that we will come back to Lagos again, where we will do lectures. Thank you, and God bless Lagos.